Hey, hi everyone. In this particular video, we are going to learn about that how we export and import database in MongoDB, right? So let's say you are having or you have created a database. Inside of that, you have created lots of collection or data, right? And if I want to export that particular database into a file in my system, how I can do it? Well, that's what we are going to learn today, right? So first of all, before doing anything, you need to download this database tools download and need to create the path in the environment variable, right? So make sure that you do that. I have already created the video on it, so you can also visit the channel, right? So let's move forward towards the command prompt. So this is our command prompt, right? Make sure that you open the command prompt with the run as administrator, right? I'm repeating, run as administrator. You have to open it by that, right? Because it asks for the permission while doing any kind of operation such as uh, like restore, backup, or import, export, anything like that. Fine. Okay. So let's move forward towards creating. So first of all, let's take a look on the MongoDB compass. So you can see I have a lot of database here. I'm going to work with the school DB. So I'm going to export it, right? And here the collection name is student, and inside of that we are having all these 6 different documents, right? So to do that, what we need to do, we need to simply write a simple one line query, right? Mongo export, let me just zoom it for you, Mongo export, and then dash dash db, and write the name of the database, right? So my database name is school db and the collection name is student. I want to export my particular this collection, student collection, right? So first of all, I need to give the name of my database. So the database name is school database, like this, db, right? That's the name. And then for the collection, again write dash dash collection, and then write the name of the collection. So the collection name is students, right? After that, put dash dash out, right? First of all, dash dash db, then the name of database, dash dash collection, then the name of the collection, and then dash dash out. And after that, give the location where you want to export this. So let's say that I want to export it to this particular folder which I have created. I named this particular folder as mongo file, right? So I just copy the path and will go here, and inside these quotations I will give this particular path here, right? You can check, so you can see, right? And after doing this, again put the slash and give the name of the file in which you want to store. So I want to store it in the file name student, let's say, right? So just write here student dot json, right? Like this. This is compulsory this is compulsory, right? After that, when you press enter, let's see that whether it is working or not. So when I press enter, okay, so you can see exported 6 record, right? Because our collection was having 6 records. So now if you go and check, see, there's a file name student is present. This is a JSON file, and if you double click on it and open it, you will see, right? ID is present, name, city, and marks, and this is what was present inside our database, right? Arav, Delhi, marks, city, name, like this. So we have successfully understood that how we export our data or the data collection to our system. Now, next task is to understand that how we import it, right? So in this particular part, now let's start the working on the import, right? So for the import, you just need to write here Mongo import, right? But one important thing that uh, if I imported it, right? So at that time, what will happen that the object ID with the same object ID will collide, and the duplicates are not allowed. So maybe that I have to delete it first, right? So let's just delete this. Okay, let's just copy it, paste it here, and drop the database, right? So database is successfully deleted. Now Mongo import dash dash db, write the name of the db, that is school db now, and then dash dash collection, right? And write the name of the collection, students, and then dash dash file. Earlier we were writing dash dash out. This time we are writing dash dash file, right? And then after that, give the location. Give the location. So what is the location? Let's come here and copy it here, and you know that the file name is student.json in which our data is exported, right? So for successful importing, just write it like this, and after that when you press enter, let's see whether it is working or not. So let's see what happens. So you can see that 6 documents imported successfully, right? So if I go to my compass again and reload it, you can check my school DB has now present here, since we have deleted earlier, but now it is imported from the file which we saved after exporting, right? And the student collection is present, and when I click on it, all the data are present, right? So this is how we do the export and import task in MongoDB. I hope you understood the concept very clearly. This is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.